Reciprocals. That's a new word for you, and it means that you're gonna have a fraction. Let's have a fraction 2 over 5. You're gonna have a fraction. You need to multiply that fraction, multiplication, with another fraction. Once you do the multiplication, at the end you will get 1. So, with what fraction I can multiply that fraction that can give me 1? It's upside down, the other way around. 5 goes up over 2 goes down. Multiplication will give you 2 times 5 is 10 over 5 times 2 also 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. So that's how you find out reciprocals. So let's do one more example. 5 over 7. What is the reciprocals for that fraction? Upside down, the other way around. 7 divided by 5. So that answer goes to your answer sheet. And you will get questions such as 5. Find the reciprocals for 5. You might think that this is not a fraction, but every number can turn into fraction by dividing 1. And when you do that, first of all, 5 divided by 1 is still 5. So you are not changing the number. We are just using manipulatives here. So to find out reciprocals, all you have to do the same what you already know. Upside down, the other way around. 1 goes up, 5 goes down. So that's the answer, goes to answer sheet. How about 17? It will be 1 divided by 17. 1 goes up, 17 goes down. Don't you believe me? Let's do the multiplication. That will give you 17 over 17, which is 1. Let's practice.